I really need help in decorating up here. So it's not a huge space up here. Hi, pussycat. So it is a huge space actually. Like that's storage in there. And then we've got a bathroom here, which I think we'll be redoing that one soon. So this bathroom will be being done soon, I think. Toilet. This door here is storage. It's a spare room. That's my son's room in there. That's huge. I won't go in there though because it's a bit of a mess. And that's another storage cupboard. But what can I do in this space? Like, what can I do here? It's not really big enough to make it like a living area, or is it? Maybe you could have, like, I don't know. I just don't know. It's just wasted. It's just wasted. A linen cupboard. Tiny, like narrowest stairway ever. Any suggestions would be awesome. Oh yeah, it's not a huge, I'd have to measure it. I reckon it's probably, I don't know, maybe, I'll go back a bit, maybe like 5 or 6 meters wide. I don't know, that's probably not even right. It's not huge, but it's not tiny. But how can I make it more appealing? And yes, those deer have to stay there. At least in my lounge room. I haven't done anything up here really. Well, I've painted the walls, not the ceiling. The ceiling needs to be done. But I've painted the walls up here, that's it. Help me out.